Hi creatives, welcome back to heisapro and get ready to master the art of visual communication. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the text tool and text properties. Without further delay, let's get started. The text tool is a versatile CorelDRAW tool used to add and manipulate text in various ways. The text tool is represented by the capital letter A icon on the toolbar, so you can simply select it. To use the text tool, you simply left click and type. And once you are done, you can simply select the pick tool. Up here, we can change the font or typeface of the text. The default typeface is Arial, and you can always download free online fonts to have access to various font options. You should note that your choice of font really matters. I advise using clear and visible fonts when designing business cards or ID cards. And you can use a stylish or calligraphic font when designing birthday or invitation cards. So right here, we can adjust the font size. Or you can simply perform the scaling operation to adjust the size of the text. You can also translate, rotate, and share the text. Right here, we can bold the text, make it italic, and underline the text. We can also add color to the text by selecting the text, then selecting a color from the color palette. And just like we did in the previous videos, you can always come down to the status bar to double click on the fill or the outline icon to adjust their properties. You can change the words of the text by following the regular typing procedures. So now a quick tip: a faster way to select the text tool is by simply double clicking on the text, and this brings out the line stroke. Placing the line stroke at the start of a word in the text and clicking enter on your keyboard sends the text to a new line. You can now select the pick tool. So up here we have horizontal alignment, and this chooses a method of aligning text horizontally. Left alignment aligns the text to the left hand side. Center alignment centers the text. Right alignment aligns the text to the right hand side. And now for full justify, if we were to add more text to the bottom text, so let's say now, we see that the length of the upper text aligns with that of the lower text. And if we were to select force justify, we see that the length of the lower text aligns with that of the upper text, since it contains more letters. So let's just select center. We can also convert the text object to a curve object. Simply select the text, then you right click and select convert to curves. And if we were to select the shape tool, you would see we have a blue outline and so many nodes. We can zoom in to adjust the nodes. Just simply highlight and drag. We can always add new nodes and delete existing nodes. So guys, as you can see, we're able to create this cool text effect. That will be all for this tutorial on the text tool. We have covered the basics, but there's still so much more to explore. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials where we will dive deeper into advanced text techniques, effects, and styling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.